You only need two things to make a homemade air conditioner. I'm sure you haven't heard of this method for home cooling yet. It's significantly cheaper and produces amazing results. You can create it in less than 15 minutes. Prepare 2 bottles. Cut off their bottoms at about the same height as I did. Then, make holes in the bottles. You can use a soldering iron or even toothpicks. Leave about 4 centimeters from the cap without holes. This will be important later. Now take a fan and remove its cover to make it easier to work with. Get 4 zip ties and attach the bottles. You'll need 2 zip ties per bottle. Attach them to the fan's wires and the holes in the bottles. If you have any excess plastic, cut it off. We can now close the fan. Our final step is to put ice into the bottles. When you turn on the fan, the ice will help the fan produce an air conditioning effect. If the ice starts to melt, just place a glass under the cap and drain the water. You can add more ice cubes at any time. The effect of this homemade air conditioner is fantastic. You'll feel the difference immediately.